having an apple a day really keeps the doctor away. Apples are an amazing fruit. I love them because they are so versatile. When you are having trouble and you have diarrhea or a loose stomach, if you have an apple, that's gonna help you to contain the diarrhea. In another hand, if you are having trouble to evacuate and you have an apple, it works as fiber and it helps you to go to the bathroom. So isn't it magical? Apples are amazing. So that's why we're using apples this morning to have an amazing, delicious smoothie that is gonna help you to lose weight in case you need it to substitute a breakfast. Remember, there is no magical shake or smoothie. It's gonna be that you are eating less calories or what would you have with a normal breakfast, and also it's gonna be super nutritious and good for your body. So let's start with this delicious apple smoothie. For the ingredients, you will need 1 apple, 2 cups of water, 7 almonds, 4 cups of oatmeal, the rustic oatmeal, the old-fashioned oatmeal is the one that you need, half a spoon of flaxseed, the juice of half a lemon, and 3 pinches of cinnamon. Okay, now let's start. A night before, we're gonna put our oatmeal in a container and we're gonna cover it with water. You need it to be like, if you have 1 spoon of, well, you will need 4 spoons of oatmeal, so add about 12 spoons of water. You need to make the triple of water of what you have on oatmeal. We're gonna add to this the juice of half a lemon. You're gonna add it there and we're gonna leave it soaking in the water for the whole night, okay? This step is very important because it's gonna help us to make the oatmeal to absorb better the nutrients that we're gonna put into our smoothie, okay? So next morning, just get rid of the water, give it a little rinse, and you put it in the blender with 2 cups of water, 1 apple cut it in pieces. We're gonna add the flaxseed, the half a spoon of flaxseed, 7 almonds, and the 3 pinches of cinnamon. We're gonna blend all of these until pulverized, and now you can have it as breakfast. This is a breakfast substitute. It's super nutritious, it's very delicious, and it's gonna help you to stay filled for most of the morning. You are not gonna be hungry. That is also very good because it's gonna help you to control, like if you have been having some you wanna eat here and there, and if you're hungry the whole day with the anxiety that all this situation is causing, well, you can have it and it's gonna help you. So I hope you enjoy it, and I see you next week with more delicious recipes. I have recipes in English every Thursday and Sunday here at Las Recetas de Laura. Enjoy, and I see you next week.